Hi everyone, I want to share this very good news as these three lead companies have come with their new processor for processor cake. Let us check how the evolution is going. Okay, the first from ARM where they're revealing their new processor Cortex A77 CPU and Mali G77 GPU which refreshingly simply focused on increasing performance and efficiency. A smartphone along with the majority of tablets already using ARM-based processor, now UK-based company wants to do is get ARM processors into more laptops and maybe even desktop PCs. Wow, not only that, they are planning to give a good idea of how they perform in revealing desktop class X86 processors the next year. This shows that in all circumstances, though the proliferation of ARM-based convertibles and laptops seems an inevitability. Now move to the next lead company, Intel. Intel also launched its promising new processor, 10nm ASIC processors, and pushed forward its Logical project as an effort, which endeavors to set baseline expectation for battery life, connectedness, responsiveness, and thinness among laptops featuring Intel's latest processor generation. For their first gen Intel Core processor, will coming into thin laptop and tablets first with the promises peak to adding more features than power, like all-driven adaptability, built-in Wi-Fi 6 and Thunderbolt 3 connectivity, and improved graphics for pro-level content creation and 4K HDR on the go. They hope through Athena's project, it will be the solution to build out the ecosystem of design and device while also pushing a unified standard of quality. And from the last lead company, AMD comes with the Ryzen 3000 series picks of their usual jackboxes by introducing AMD's first consumer-grade 12-core processor, shrinking the manufacturing process down to 7nm and undercutting the comparable Intel alternative on price. This effort will seem to be bearing fruit as AMD's PC's market share numbers have been steadily rising, and the company has a nice win on its hands by securing the contract to provide processor for the PS5. Now look back at their updates on the processor. They start to take different approaches for the future. We can see that ARM design has been about the lightness and efficiency for heavier workloads. Then Intel approaches through expending a lot of energy on optimizing the environment around the processor, while AMD is just ticking along nicely concerning itself primarily with performance per dollar and performance per watt efficiencies. Therefore, through this update, which product is the most interesting for you now? Thank you.